hard for your tapping upon my window pane. But all I hear for now is the rain. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name. I heard your voice on the phone just the other day. Yet it seemed to me you're half the world away. In this world of black and white, your red hot flame. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name. Listening hard for your tapping upon my window pane.
So that's Hunter in the lead, tracking the rattlesnakes, and Fred following along. We're searching for the rattlesnakes again today to try to find out if they have moved any from last week when they were so close together. So I'm training Hunter so that he can take over some rattlesnake tracking excursions for me, to help with his education at Western Carolina University.
Yeah, signal's getting pretty strong out through there.
All right, well, let's head on down. We'll keep paralleling until you get about a 90-degree angle on your signal. And Fred's here to experience the beauty of the timber rattlesnake in its natural environment, as am I.
Oh yeah.
Did we pass her? Nope. See how the interference from the power lines really causes a bit of a problem sometimes. Okay, remember I talked about how you can get the signal, if it's behind you, it seems stronger. So she's either behind you or in front of you. What do you think?
It's pretty strong this way.
It is. You're welcome to go see if she's there. I kind of doubt she's there, but she's fooled me before. She may already be heading towards her den. And for those of you that don't know, this is an American chestnut tree. They don't get much bigger than this nowadays because of the chestnut blight that wiped most of them out over the last century. When they get to a certain age, the chestnut blight fungus that lives in the bark kills them. It's sad. It was an amazing and majestic tree at one time, about every third tree in the forest, and now they're reduced to these little tiny saplings.
Pretty strong up that way.
Mm-hmm. I'll go back up just a little till the beep comes back real loud. Like that. Now head off and look for her. See how that sounds a little more forceful now?
Yeah.
You might want to go to attenuator mode. That'll help you narrow down her position. We think she's somewhere
ATT.
in this area. Yeah. So we found the female snake, Zoe, and she was in her interim den, the root clump that she goes into apparently this time every year before she then moves into her main den site. And then after finding her, we came a few hundred yards or so and found Utsanati on the surface here underneath this rhododendron thicket. And we literally walked right past him before we realized where he was, only about 3.5 feet away from us. He's never moved, never rattled. He's being a very good snake because he's terrified of us and he doesn't want to move or he'll reveal his position. I believe that he's on his way back to his hibernation location from last year, the same site. Just like Zoe is in her interim den and probably going to move down to the den that she used last year beside the old snag. So we'll see in the next few weeks where these snakes go, and I'll give you a full report.
And that's on the radio, don't seem to change. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name. Listening hard for your tapping upon my window pane. But all I hear for now is the rain. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name. Listening hard for your tapping upon my window pane. But all I hear for now is the rain. I'm just waiting to hear you call my name.